Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment saying thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is some collapsible storage bin by a company called Sineda. These are them assembled right here next to me. Assembling them is super easy. So they are going to come nice and flat packed just like this. So if you're not using them, they don't take up a lot of space when you put them in storage, which is really nice. Now when you open it up, you will also get a user manual that explains how to set them up. But like I said, install is super easy. Basically, the sides just fold out, snap in place, and you are good to go. Now, to give you an idea, each one of these holds approximately about 8.4 gallons. And to give you the idea of the size, they are 19.5 inches wide, approximately 12 inches deep, and approximately 11.75 inches tall. Now, you can open the top here if you wish. You can just slide this open like so and reach in. Or you have the doors in the front, which kind of open up. Now, one of the things I like about this storage unit is how it's see-through, but it's got this reeded kind of plastic look to it. So it kind of obscures what's in there, but you get an idea of what you're storing. And then it just has these nice little brown handles that kind of look like leather. So they're really aesthetically pleasing. They do lock, so they're not easy. They won't open automatically, but once you pull this, the doors will open. And as you can see, you can easily store a lot of things in here, whether you're storing bathroom toiletries or you're storing kind of like your cleaning supplies. If you want to put in towels, hand towels, clothing, etc., shoes, you can basically store all kinds of things in the side here. Now, it is worth noting that these will support only up to 110 pounds each. And then I also want to point out when they're easy to pick up and carry. So there is a handle built in the side, so it's easy to pick up and move around. And like I said, they are designed to stack like so. And another little feature on the bottom here, they do have some wheels. So it makes it easy to slide on a surface if you need to push them somewhere or push them to where you want to go. But overall, if you are in the market and looking for some collapsible or something to just store stuff, I think these are totally worth checking out. They're really well made, easy to assemble, and they pack nice and flat when you're not using them. So therefore, I do recommend them. That is basically it. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.